everybody, JRSpecies here with another box break video, and today we're going to open up a second box of the 17-18 NBA hoops. It's got 2 autographs per box on average, plus the hobby exclusives, red hot signatures, and so on. Looking for Donovan and Tatum in here, but mainly I'm opening up this stuff kind of hoping to pull some Kobe autographs because he's exclusive with Panini here. So, I don't know. I thought it'd be fun to open and try to get a Kobe auto, but who knows if we will. I imagine they're a pretty tough pull, but I also imagine that, you know, it's the only product you can get it in is Panini. So, let's see what we get. Okay. And we opened up one of these here a few days ago or so. Got 2 of this card in the same pack on the last box. That's the NBA 2K18. These also have the Kobe tribute cards in them, so. Team leaders. So after this box, I'll probably post all the Kobe, like for example this one, Kobe tribute cards. Probably post them all on eBay and sell them because I don't really have any use for. I don't really like those sets, to be honest with you. So. And at the end of this video, we'll go through and see if we got any redbacks. The last video I got one and I had no idea what the heck it was, and then I realized it's just a short print. So, looks like we got possibly C.J. McCollum autograph here. Didn't mean to spoil that, but I did. So, De'Aaron Fox. And there it is. Not a horrible autograph. Not a horrible autograph. So not horrible. Let's see here. Jared Allen rookie. I don't know where the front and the back is of that card. Okay. Hope everyone's having a good day. Hope everyone's staying kind of sort of busy. Not going crazy with the quarantine. I heard that people born 9 months from now are going to be referred to as the children of the corn. Children of the quarantine. Hey, Lonzo Ball. Not a bad ball player. Just not as good as they thought he was going to be. Plug your ears, everybody. I gotta sneeze. Sorry about that. Didn't want to pause the video just to sneeze really fast, so. Let's see here. What do you got? I don't know what that is. Come on, big money. Let's see here. Okay. I got a handful of these boxes here. There's Giannis. Hey, there's Larry Markkinen. Sending that to my buddy out there, Joe in Chicago. Gonna go in his pile. He sent me some cards from my PC, so I'm putting a box together for him. In fact, it's sitting right next to me. And in fact, the list that he gave me is sitting right in front of me up on my board. Just so that way I know what he PCs right there. And that way I don't lose it also. if you guys want to send me anything from my PC, then feel free, and I will send you back. There's another Kobe. I'll send you back, you know, send me a list of what you like, and I'll send you some of what you PC. Nice Courtney Lee out of 25. That's a pretty nice card. Because that's just one way that, you know, we can help each other in the community. You know, I give away stuff that I don't collect for stuff that I do collect, and then that way we don't have to really spend money except for a little bit of a couple bucks for shipping, which is a lot cheaper than. There's our other autograph, Sandarius Thornwell. Okay. Porzingis. Got some cards in here to give to Lena, my daughter. She likes the Jazz cards, and especially Ricky Rubio. That's pretty nice. Josh Richardson. Dante Exum. Alrighty. See if we're gonna get a Dante, or sorry, Donovan in here. Mitchell, he's the one I'm going for because we love Donovan Mitchell because we live out in Utah, and we've met him and gotten a bunch of autographs, and he's super nice and cool. So, and we just like Donovan a lot out here. Frank Telekina. Hopefully I'm not going too fast here, guys. Alrighty. Another Kobe. Career Tribute card. Another Shaq. Justin Jackson, rookie. Chris Middleton. Okay. So we got 6 packs left, guys. Trying to make this video kind of quick for you. Let's see what this D-Wade is. Team leader card, okay. Gosh, I hate the upside down stuff all the time. After this box, I got a couple boxes of Donruss from 17-18. Those are also pretty fun to open, hobby boxes, so we'll do those next. And I'll post them when I get them done. Dennis Smith Jr., pretty good. Paul Gasol, another Shaq. I got 2 of them in this box, the same ones. Golly. Pretty cool card, though. But last box, I got 2 of them. And in this box, I got 2 of them. There's another Kobe Tribute card. Nicholas Batum out of 199. So we're getting some color. Don't ask me why I just said color like that. Steph Curry. Reggie Jackson, Brandon Beal. Okay. Juwan Evans. Another Kobe. I think that's 4, but last box I got 4. So I don't know if it's 4 a box. Luke Kennard. That's pretty cool. I like these cards a lot. Those we got next. Rodney Hood. Okay, guys, last pack. Thanks for watching. Hopefully take a second to hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed, hopefully you will. I do videos pretty regularly. Nice Patrick Ewing there. But thanks for watching. Don't forget to wash your hands, and remember, it's a good day to have a good day. Later. Hey guys, sorry, it wouldn't be me if I didn't forget something. I was going to show you the red. I got a Karl Anthony Towns red. These are one a box, red back, so they're a short print. No different than the regular card, except for it's a red back instead of black back, which looks like that. And here's my Kobe's. I did get 5. The Kobe tribute cards. I got 5 of them this time. So, alrighty, and then here's the last few cards here. These are all the inserts here and stuff I got. I just kind of threw them on the table there, sorted them out by type. There's that nice Luke Kennard. There's that nice out of 199. Another one. That one's out of 99. The green. Sindarius Thornwell autograph. There's a nice Courtney Lee out of 25. CJ McCollum autograph. Alright guys, thanks again. Bye.